Right, let's pick another leaf. That one looks like a good one there still. Yeah. Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. The weather's beautiful, so it has to be another garden update. Let's go. People, I'm telling you, you see, from time we've had this weather, it's gone crazy. Yeah? Look at the Grabba. The Grabba has gone mental. Look at this. Crazy. Please tell me you remember, and if you don't remember, just go back to the last updates and remember what the Grabba looked like before this episode. Crazy. Look at the size of these leaves. Look at them, man. All down there. Yeah. It's a lot of Grabba. So, we're gonna harvest a couple of these today. Yeah, we're gonna pick 2 nice leaves. And we're gonna, basically what you do is you pick the leaf off, like this one here. Let's go for this one here. All right, perfect. Now what you're gonna do with this is we're gonna wash it. Just get anything that was, you know what I mean? We're gonna wash it, and then all you do is you just leave it in a dark, cool place, dry it off, and then leave it in a dark, cool place. And just leave it, and kind of like, how can I explain it? So, if you can see here, this is one that I picked off. Like, if you can, you know, like a leaf, when it starts drying out, it starts going like tough and starts getting a color like this. So it will go brown. So the more it dries out, it will go like brownish and crispy and dry. And that's when it's ready. That's when you can use it in your Bob Marleys. You know what I'm saying? The banana trees are doing really well, as you can see. And we've got like a new one. Yeah, let's build that up as fast as possible. Get this leaf off. Yeah, might do something with that leaf, might cook something with that in something. But yeah, man, my plants absolutely love this weather. As you can see down here, this Scotch bonnet plant's growing weird. It must start flowering soon. These little Trinidad perfume are starting to grow new leaves. Get rid of these old ones that have been eaten. Look at these scallion as well, people. And all of these scallion is literally just, when I use them, I just chop off the little top parts, you know what I mean, of the scallion, and I just chuck them in the ground, literally, and water them, and that's it. Yeah, so my neeseberry. So my neeseberry plant, this is the one I brought back from Jamaica. I've got some thyme down there. Some in the thyme, get that out. Oh yeah, we've got parsley behind there. And one Scotch bonnet from Jamaica, but it doesn't seem to be growing that well. I did have a Grabba plant there, but that, as you can see how quickly they grow. I took that out, and I got a mint plant, which is it'll be smaller, and it won't distract it too much. You know what I'm saying? In here, the sorrel. This is sorrel, Scotch bonnets. This is okra. The one at the front. This one seems to be doing better than that one. This all needs to be watered as well. Another little Scotch bonnet up there. The Jamaican tomatoes that I bought the seeds back from. Oh look! I didn't even see that down there. Look at that. We're starting to get our first couple tomatoes. Couple Jamaican tomatoes. Good vibes, yes. See more's flowering. More's popping out there as well. One Grabba plant just there, next to the bench. Just to give it a little bit of decoration. You know what I'm saying? They're just everywhere. I have these in abundance. If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing, hit that like button, get the video moving. I hype up the video, people. Let's go. I did start streaming this, but I need to finish off this, so that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna stream this. Yeah, let's get this new mint plant in the herb section. Good vibes. Yeah, that is it. Herbs. Yeah, I don't know if I've ever showed you this, but chop off some rosemary. This is a rosemary bush. Loads of it. Yeah. So it's just a bit of cleaning up now, people. Cactus down there. All right. Oh yeah, my callaloo. It's been eaten. Something got a little munch on that one there. Yeah, my callaloo, people. Let me get a better. The sunlight's a bit. Yeah, it's doing well, man. I think this is a random Irish potato. It's just randomly growing. Apart from that, everything is flourishing nicely. As you can see, the jungle pathway is starting to become a jungle pathway. Yeah, my streamer run out of battery, so wait for that to charge up, and I'm gonna stream the rest of this. I need to sort this area out here and make it a bit more presentable. You know what I'm saying? Oh, the cherries. Yo, like I must have missed the cherries, people, because they started to blossom. The cherries were there and they was ready and they was ripe, and then the birds must have ate all of them. And I don't know why, but there's loads of ants on this tree as well. I don't know if it's it was the ants or the birds, or the ants and the birds, but they ate every single cherry. I didn't even get one. But you don't know it's nature, innit? You see me? Yeah, we have to give back to nature. The birds and the ants, them are hungry same way. Right, let's pick another leaf. That one looks like a good one there still. Yeah. Oh. All right, I might have to get a knife for that, because I don't want to. I should go right. Let me see if I can do it with my hands. Yeah, good vibes. There we go. And I will keep you updated on how it's getting along. But yeah, for now, wash it, dry it, put it in a dark, cool place. You get me? And then we'll show you from there. Boy, it's hot out here, people. Have a little break and eat a passion fruit. Passion fruits are one of my favorite fruit, man. I wish we can grow them in England, but they don't grow like that. We do actually get some sort of passion fruit, but you can only use it for jams and stuff. I think we've actually got, let me have a look and see if we can find that plant. There was definitely a passion flower growing over there. See if we can find it. Streamer keeps running out of battery. Need to give it a proper charge, but yeah, we're nearly getting there. Just need to fix up these little bits over there, people. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, there's not too much more for today, really. Look, this is a passion flower, but I don't know where it's coming from. But look, it's going down from there. Let's see if we can follow it. Where is that? Oh, look, there it is. It's there. Cobweb there as well. But yeah, it's there. Let's see what happens. Need to chop off that bit of bamboo. It looks like it's taking over that little banana there as well. Our good vibes, people. Made a little thing there for the coal pot. Is it me? Hope you enjoyed the episode. There's not much more. I'm going to keep you updated with the Grabba and show you how it's doing. You know what I'm saying, people? But for now, I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share and all that good stuff. fully active.